Hello everyone. Today we will be drawing 6 shapes. There will be the circle, the square, the triangle, the star, the rectangle and a heart. And we'll start with the circle. We'll begin at the top and slowly draw all the way around. And here we have our circle. Now we'll draw this once more. We'll start at the top and slowly draw all the way around. And here is our finished circle. We'll colour this in yellow. Our next shape will be the square. We'll start at the top and draw a straight line down, and then to the right, then straight up, and then to the left. And we will finish where we started, and here is our square. And we'll draw that one more time. We start at the top and draw a straight line down, and then to the right, and then straight back up, and then to the left. And here we have our square. We'll colour this square in blue. Our next shape is the triangle. We'll start at the top and draw a line down, then to the right, and back up. And here is our triangle. We'll draw it once more. We'll start at the top and draw a straight line down, then to the right, and back up. And here is our triangle. And we'll colour this triangle in pink. Our next shape is the star. We'll start at the top and draw a line down, then to the left, down a bit further, and then again, then to the right, then draw a line going up, and another one, then to the left, and join the lines together. And there is our star. We'll draw it one more time. We'll start at the top and draw a line down, and then to the left, down, then to the right, and another one, and then back up, and then to the left, and join them together. And there is our star. We'll colour the star in purple. Our next shape is the rectangle. Start at the top, draw a short line going down, a longer line to the right, a short line going up, and then a longer line to the left. Here is our rectangle. We'll draw that once more. Start at the top, draw a short line down, a longer line to the right, a short line back up, and then a longer line to the left and join them up. And here is our rectangle. We'll colour this rectangle in green. Our next shape is the heart. So we'll start at the top, draw a curving line all the way around till we get to the middle, and then we'll go back up again, drawing a curving line. And there is our heart. We'll draw it one more time. Start in the centre, a curving line up and around. Then we stop in the centre and go back up in that same curving line. And there is our heart shape. We'll colour this heart in red. Thank you so much for watching.